Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na ating pong makukuha pagdating po sa mga bagay na kung gaba may sikreto o iyong kinukubli o tinatago sa iyong damdamin. Teddy bear. Backstabbing. Okay. So yung teddy bear, interested in you, blooming romance, flirting, want to date. Okay. So, ito yung somebody na merong may gusto sa'yo, no? Cancer, kung gaba parang, o either you o yung person mo, take it as it resonates, okay? Na ikaw yung may gusto o yung may gusto sa'yo yung person mo, okay? Na kung gaba parang may konting flirtation, no? Yung parang nagpaparamdam na pinapahiwatig na gusto kanyang ma-date, na gusto kanyang mas makilala pa, pinapakita niya talaga na interesado siya sa'yo. Kung gaba yung posibilidad na magkaroon ng romance sa relationship niyo between the two of you, andoon, okay? Now, backstabbing. Heartbreak and pain, separation and loss, deception and lies, shocking attack. Okay. So, baka may mangyaring tipong sa likod mo merong gumagawa ng hindi mabuti. Backstabbing is, di ba, yung parang sa likod mo, meron na palang nagdo-double cross sa'yo o sinisiraan ka, hindi gumagawa ng mabuti para sa'yo, no? In other words, this is not really a very good energy. Okay, so something totally opposite, no? Meron taong nagkakagusto sa'yo and yet there is somebody also at your back na parang sinisiraan ka. Baka nainggit. Na ano ko lang, naramdaman ko lang, okay? So, tignan natin sa tarot. Kasi syempre, anong rason? Bakit kanya iba-backstab, no? We have the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Bottom niya is the Eight of Swords. Okay, Cancer. So, yung Eight of Swords natin dito is maybe it has something to do with yung another person that you are committed to, no? As if you are being parang nakatali ka dito, you're being tied to something or a commitment na hindi ka makaalis, no? You felt na it is impossible for you to get out of this relationship. Parang ganun yung dating and you didn't expect this, no? Hindi mo ini-expect na itong mangyayari na to na babalik. With the Six of Cups, babalik yung tao na to from your past. Okay? Ito yon na hindi mo ina-expect, may dadating na tao sa'yo from the past. And you felt na yung commitment mo, or maybe there is something in this person from your past that you felt that you are committed to. Na parang nung na bumalik siya sa buhay mo, na hindi mo na may expect na dadating, na-realize mo lang na siguro siya yung talagang gusto mo o yung interesado ka talaga sa kanya. Okay, so ito yung Three of Pentacles dito, Cancer, is you are trying your best to make the relationship in harmony. Kung ba parang maging maganda yung flow, no? May kooperasyon, in other words, na nagwo-work kayo in perfect harmony. Kung ba tamang walang kaguluhan, nagkakaintindihan kayo pareho. No, you have this communication clearly to each other. Kaya kung ba parang I don't see any problem, kaya maybe you felt na if this is the person that is interested in you, no, na alam niya na magkakasundo kayo kasi nagkakaayos kayo eh. If this is somebody from your work, no, sa trabaho, nararamdaman mo na okay kami nito. Talagang compatible kami, nagkakasundo kami, nagkakaintindihan kami, and definitely we like each other. You know? So the interest is there. Andun yung probability na, kaya nga, there's a bit of flirting, no? Yung pagpapakita na you like the person. Kung ba parang nagbibigay ng inspirasyon siya sa'yo. Kaya you lighten up, no? Kung nagpapaganda ka o nagpapagwapo ka, kasi pag nakikita mo tong taon to, iba yung dating eh. Iba yung dating, no? To a point na minsan gusto mo na i-ask itong person na to for a date para mas makilala mo pa siya tuluyan, hindi lang sa level ng trabaho. And you really want to put action on this. Gusto mo nang gawin yon, no? Hindi lang yung isip lang o salita lang, but really to do it, no? Na matuloy, na ask ka na date, kilala kayo, mag-usap pa kayo, ganun. And because gusto mo i-offer yung love mo with the Knight of Cups, you wanted to tell this person how much you feel or what are you feeling towards him or her. Take it as it resonates, Cancer, ha? It could be you or it could be your person. So, yun yung no, ito yung sinasabi natin, what you're keeping into yourself, or maybe yung secret mo for sa ngayon is your planning is to let the person know exactly how you feel. Ipaalam, iparating. Kaya you wanted, have a date, gusto mo na umaksyon na agad kasi nga kung ba you're eager na ipaalam sa kanya na talagang may gusto ko sa'yo. Okay? We have the Queen of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. Ngayon, hindi lang gusto, but I'm truly in love with you. With the Queen of Cups. Na-in love ka na, no? Maybe because the fact na nagkakasundo kayong dalawa, you work perfectly in harmony. And it gives you that reason na to fall in love with this person. Na may in love ka kasi parang ang sarap niya kasama. Parang hindi lang kasi sa trabaho, but nakikita mo na kahit sa buhay, life in general, yung pang forever, yung tipong itong maging asawa ko, siguro okay na okay kami. Ganun. Kaya na in love ka eh. That's why you want to put action on this and really work on it. Work on it to express that love, no, sa person. Okay, sa'yo, Cancer. Okay? Again, take it as it resonates. We have the Ace of Swords, the Three of Swords, and the Star. Okay, so the Ace of Swords, you have to be very honest dito, no? Kailangan lumabas yung katotohanan. Kailangan sabihin, ipaalam na, yun nga, na you love the person. Kasi dito, you work together, that's why you fell in love, you have to let them know. Yun yung sinasabi, wag mong tago. Kaya nga, you need to put action on it, work on it, para hindi ka magkaroon ng heartache. Okay? Kasi, di ba yung backstabbing part is ito yun eh. Pag tinabi mo yon, kinimkim mo, hindi ka nagsalita, kung gaba na chope ka, no, hindi ka na umurong yung dila mo, hindi ka makapagsalita, hindi ka makapag-express ng iyong damdamin, magkakaroon ka talaga nitong heartache. Diba? Ito yun, the Three of Swords. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng sakit sa damdamin. And syempre, ayaw natin yun. You're wishing for the star. No? Itong energy ng star, this is an energy coming from an Aquarius, that we are praying for, that we are wishing for, na sana matupad itong ating dream, yung ating pinapangarap, yung ating minimithi, yung ating gusto, yung ating mahal, na maging kayo. No, this is a wish come true. You wanted a wish come true. Kaya nga, kung gusto mong maging wish come true, that is what you're saying, to tell the person what you're feeling, work on it para magkatotoo siya. Okay? Put that energy, put that effort on it para magkatotoo siya. Okay, so let us see the future. We have the Strength, the Five of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the High Priestess. Okay, Cancer. So, ang sinasabi dito is, sa future, kailangan malakas ang loob mo. Kailangan malakas ang loob mo. Have the courage, no? With the Strength card. It's an energy coming from a Leo. Kung may Leo ka man sa iyong chart, lakasan mo loob mo. Maging confident ka. Be courageous. Matapang. To really speak and say exactly what you are feeling. Para wala kang regrets, no? So you won't have any regrets at all. Diba? At, you know, masabi mo, with the Queen of Swords, masabi mo talaga yung nasa loobin mo. For you to have this new beginning in love, magkaroon ka ng panibagong pag-uumpisa sa pag-ibig with this person. And that is what your intuition is telling you or guiding you to do. Ito yung sinasabi ng intuition mo na gawin mo ito, itong gawin mo, itong sinasabi ko sa'yo, sundin mo to, and you will be okay. Okay? Kasi ang nag-i-stop sa'yo is yung lakas ng loob eh. Natatakot ka siguro, ma-heartbroken. I understand that. Diba? Hindi kasi, what if naisip mo kung hindi ka gusto ka lang. Sabihin nyo, okay siya na maging mag-office mate kayo. Pero pagdating sa romance o pag-ibig, hindi pala. Alam mo yung ganon. So yung, o pakiramdam mo na baka may kalaban or something na meron kang kakompetensya, no? Maybe that's why somebody maybe is backstabbing you o sinisiraan ka dito sa tao na to. Something like that, na kaya nga kailangan ipatunayan mo sa kanya na you're worth it. That you are honest, that you really love the person, that you have these true feelings para sa kanya. Okay? So, wag panghinaan ng loob. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin. Natin kung ano yung message na gustong sabihin sa iyo ni Angel. Gentleness. Archangel Sandalphon. Be very gentle with yourself at this time. Surround yourself with gentle people, situations, and environment. Okay, so ano lang, kung gaba parang bigyan mo ng tender loving care, no, yung sarili mo. Don't kung gaba don't put so much pressure sa sarili mo. I know you wanted to express this, but maybe do it na in a way na okay, malakas na yung loob ko para sabihin to, but say it in a very gentle way. In a way na parang the way you wanted it to be heard. No? Paano gusto mong marinig at paano mo gusto tong sabihin. Kung sa'yo sasabihin ito, di ba? Parang ganun eh. Kasi syempre kung dahan-dahan o sinasabi mo na you know, I have been feeling this way for a long time. Nung since nakilala kita, I have been observing you or looking at you and find myself to be interested with you. So now I'm coming out to let you know that I like you a lot. That I know that you and I will be good together. Yung mga ganon. Okay? So, ikaw na bahala gumawa ng sarili mong bagay na gusto sabihin sa kanya. You can do this. Kaya mo yan. With the strength card coming out, you are being asked to do that. No? Yun ang gawin mo. Ano pa po yung message for Cancer at saka yung person niya? Blame. Says here, I accept responsibilities for my well-being. Okay. So, ang ano kasi dito is walang sisihan. No, blame is pagsisisi, di ba? So, ang point dun is it's also a way of saying regret, di ba? Kasi kung hindi mo nasabi to, hindi mo nagawa to, huwag mo sisinin yung ano, no? I mean, sino ba dapat sisinin lang? If there's anything to blame at, or to whom? Kasi, kung ba you're given all the guidance already through this reading, what to do, what to say, when to say it, how to say it, yung mga tipong ganon. Nasa sayo na yan eh. Kung paano mo i-execute yung action, the action that needs to be taken. Okay? So, the blaming part is already on your responsibility. Kasi kung ba sabi ko sa'yo, there will be no excuse at all para hindi mo magawa ito. What is there for you to lose? Diba? Kung in case, sabihin natin, nagkalakas ka ng loob, nasabi mo na to, and somehow, it didn't come out the way you wanted it, yung outcome niya. At least, napakita mo, nasabi mo, yung nasa damdamin mo. So, you cannot blame yourself anymore. Kung hindi ka niya gusto for whatever reason, as the same as you are feeling for this person, then siya yon, not you. Ikaw nagmahal ka lang. Siya yon. Okay? Don't blame yourself. Na baka hindi ka enough, baka ganon, o dahil baka kasi may nag-backstab sa'yo, whatever other reasons na maisip mo. It's not you. Kaya nga, if you're going to do this, be open, be honest, and just let the person know exactly how you feel, then there's nobody to blame. I mean, that's how I understood that. Okay, Cancer? Kung kanino mang Cancer ito na nakuha natin yung energy sa pagbasa na ito. Sana nakatulong ito ng malaki sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.